How to fix COD Modern Warfare 2 0x887A0006. 1. Try switching from NVIDIA's DLSS to AMD's FSR settings, if you can. To do so, follow this path: MW2 graphics settings, quality upscaling, sharpening. 2. Verify the integrity of the MW2. Game files in your Steam. 3. Update your GPU drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Running the game, COD.exe, Steam or Battle.net.exe, as an administrator. Like this. Last but not least, contact MW2 customer support team and keep your system and the MW2 up to date.